Hey everyone, how is everyone doing on Saturday? I'm going to do a small cooking, a simple cooking. So I wanted to record this using my iPhone's camera, right? So what I'm going to cook is simply, I have the lamb, as you can see. So what I'm going to do is just I'm going to marinate it as usual, right? So put this in a bowl, right? Like that, as you can see. And then the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to chop 2 garlic cloves, as you can see. 2 garlic cloves I'm going to chop, and then I'm going to marinate using different spices. As you can see, I have turmeric, I have coriander, garlic and herb, dry parsley, black pepper, and sea salt, right? All right, so let's do that. So let me chop the cloves. Just bear with me. Garlic cloves, as you can see. What I'm going to do is I'm going to crush them first, as you can see. So crush those. As you can see, kind of in the middle of the cutting board, as you can see. Okay, here we go. And then I'm going to basically just chop these into like very, very small pieces. Okay, I think that's good enough. As you can see, let me show you. Right there, that's good enough. So take like as much as you can and put it in the bowl where we have the lamb, right? Shoulder blade. Is that shoulder blade or something else? I don't know, but it's lamb. And then next is garlic, as you can see. I'm sorry, turmeric, garlic. We already did turmeric, as you can see. Turmeric in the amount that you like. That's good enough. Next is coriander, as you can see. Coriander in the amount that you like, as you can see. That's good enough. And then the garlic and herb. Okay, here we go. Garlic and herb. A little bit. Okay, so there we go. Next up, I already lined up all the spices. So next up is our dry parsley, right? Dry parsley. The amount you like. Okay. Next up is our black pepper, as you can see. Black pepper, as you can see. I'm going to just bear with me. Bear with me. Okay, I think that's good enough. Next up is sea salt, right? Next up is sea salt. Okay, so here we go. Sea salt. Okay, so there we go. I think that's good enough. Okay, and next up is a little bit of olive oil, extra virgin, just a little bit, because I'm going to saute this. I'm not going to grill this on the grill, so I'm going to saute this, right? And then squeeze a piece of lemon into the bowl. You know, you keep it like this, right, with the skin facing you. All right, so let's squeeze this. As you can see, you will see as you squeeze it, you will see the lemon juice. Can you see it? Yeah. As you can see, squeeze again. That's good enough. And now all you have to do is to just mix up this with the lamb, right? Make sure to mix it very well. Mix it, 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 so that the marinade, you know, is all over the lamb, and it's you know, immersed in the marinade. And ideally, you know, you marinate it overnight and then cook it the next night. But let me just wash my hands, and then we will just ideally, you know, you do this at night, overnight, right? Leave it in the fridge, and that's the best way to do it. However, I hadn't decided to make this video until the last minute, so I guess we will have to do this on the fly, right? Yes, on the fly. Okay, so now this is ready, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on the flame. I have the fan going in speed 2, as you can see, and I have the light on too. So I'm going to turn on the stove. Oh, come on. What the hell's going on? Alright, you know what? I'm going to use the other one. I don't know what the hell's going on, so I'm going to use the other burner. And I'm going to turn this one on. Okay, this one worked. Low to medium flame. And then into the pan, put a little bit of, just to you know, just to make sure that the lamb does not stick. Just a little bit of, maybe 1 spoon of olive oil into the pan, as you can see, and then just make sure that it's all over the pan. It's not only on one side, because usually it's not 100% level. Now into this, we're gonna put our lamb, as you can see. Holy grill, looks good. And then just basically put this into the pan, right? That's it. And try to have the marinade on top of it as much as you can, right? As you can see. All right, so that's it. And we're gonna cook this for like 3 minutes on each side, depending on how we want the lamb to be cooked. So 3 minutes on each side. I like it medium well to well, and so it all depends on how you like your lamb to be cooked, right? Right. Okay, so meanwhile, while that's going, I have here, as you can see, I have some pasta, some amazing pasta, right? Looks like homemade. And I actually cooked it, boiled it in the microwave. Remember last time in a video I did, I boiled the rice? So it works, it's the same way. So it's already cooked. Let me just make sure. It's a little al dente, but that's fine. Maybe 2 minutes more. So I'm gonna put a little bit more water into this, right? As you can see, put a little bit more water, and then on the microwave, right? Put this in the microwave, right? And I would say maybe 2.5 minutes. So I'm gonna set it at maybe 240. 2 minutes 40 seconds, right? So there you go. Meanwhile, our lamb is cooking, as you can see. And for garnishing, what I'm going to use for garnishing, I'm just trying to see what do I have for garnishing. Do I have anything in the fridge? I don't think I have anything in the fridge because I didn't go grocery shopping today, or because I haven't cooked in a long time. I have been eating, ordering for delivery, just like last night we did barbecue. My girlfriend was over. All right, so I'll be back when we are ready to flip the lamb. All right. All right. Okay. Okay. So it's time to flip the lamb. As you can see, looks really good. So I'm going to use spatula. I'm just going to flip it. Oh, Just like that, as you can see, looks really, really good, right? So 3 more minutes and we are in business, right? Now let's look at pasta. It's already been 2.5 minutes. I mean 2 minutes 40 seconds. So I'm probably going to leave the lamb on that side for 2 minutes, not more than that. And then after that, it should be ready. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to drain water from pasta, right? I thought I had that. See it. Hold on a second. Where was it? I thought I had it. To drain pasta. Let me see. Maybe it's here. No, not there either. So I guess I'll have to do this manually. So just bear with me. Bear with me, bear with me, bear with me. Bear with me, bear with me, bear with me. Bear with me, bear with me. Bear with me, bear with me, bear with me. Bear with me, bear with me. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, so pasta is drained, like 98% I would say is drained. So what I'm going to do is that while lamb is almost done, I'm going to get a plate. It looks like all my plates are in the dishwasher, are in the sink, so just bear with me. I'm going to wash one. Bear with me, bear with me, bear with me, bear with me, bear with me. Bear with me, 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 ba 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 ba. Okay, all right. So I got the plate, right? I got the plate, and I'm gonna just dry it using paper towel. Right, so just dry. Fine. Okay, so dry the plate and just put the pasta in onto the plate. Or is that into the plate or onto the plate? Either or, right? Just like that. As you can see, it looks amazing. And then I'm going to use basically the juices from the lamb for what do you call for from the pan actually. As a base for pasta, right? Because I don't think I have pasta sauce. I do have, but I think that's pretty old. I haven't used it in a while. So I'm just going to do that. And then I'm just going to use a little bit of lemon to you know, give it that acidic taste to our pasta and lamb, right? All right, so I think the lamb is ready. So let's just turn off the heat. There you go. Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe not. I see the red. Right. So what I'll do is that I'm going to use a lid on top of the lamb, just so it cooks fast, right? So I would say maybe a minute and a half, and then we are ready to go, right? I got a lemon, as you can see, and then you can enjoy this with a glass of red wine or whatever you drink, right? Juice or whatever, water, whatever suits you. So I'm going to have like half a glass of small wine bottle. I have this one here. Let me see, do I have wine left? I believe I do. I got this French wine. Oh no, French wine is gone. Looks like I have this other wine. It's, I think it's an Italian wine, as you can see, red wine. So I'm going to pour out like half of this small bottle, small glass, as you can see. I think this glass is, I don't think it's for wine, but I think it's more for like cocktails, maybe, I don't know. But regardless, I'm going to pour like maybe half a glass for myself. Okay, so that's it, that's good. Alright, so So I would say in 30 seconds we are good to go. So as you can see, this is some amazing red wine from Italy. Oh, it has turned a little acidic. I guess because I bought this a long time ago. Because I don't drink wine without food, you know. All right, I think our lamb is ready, so I'm just going to turn off the heat, right? And this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take the lamb, right? Leave the lid here. Oh, put it in the sink because it's pretty hot. And then I'm going to bring the lamb here. No, maybe not. I'm going to bring the plate here. You know, with pasta, as you can see. And then I'm going to use the spatula, as you can see. And then bring the lamb. Right? Just I flip to do this and for like 10 seconds I'm going to leave it there on the other side. Okay, I think that's good enough. So I'm going to just put this now on top of pasta, just like this. And then this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to basically take a little bit of water, right, hot water, just a little bit of hot water, maybe like 2 spoons or something like that, as you can see. And then I'm going to pour this amazing juice on top of the lamb. As you can see, it became the base for pasta. And then on top of this, what I'm going to do is that, as you can see, I'm going to squeeze a little bit of lemon just to give it that nice acidic taste. Make sure to remove, you know, the burnt garlic from the lamb, and then clean the plate around, right? And then I'm going to basically squeeze the lamb, as you can see. Squeeze the lamb, and also on pasta. And there you go. Make sure to remove the seeds of the what do you call seeds of the lemon, because if you eat that, it's very bitter. If you chew on it, it's very bitter. All right, so there we go. So we are in business, and I'm going to enjoy this with a little bit of red wine from Italy, I think, and I presume you all enjoy watching this on-the-fly cooking video. You can try this recipe at home in your own style with your own spices, and you can have a different base than pasta. You can have rice, you can have mashed potatoes, whatever you like. All right, I'll speak to you all next time.